If you're looking to elevate your majlis and create a space that exudes elegance and timeless charm, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring some elegant majlis flooring ideas that will give your interiors a touch of sophistication and luxury. Let's dive in. Idea 1, Classic Marble Flooring. Let's start with one of the most timeless options, marble. Marble flooring has long been a staple of luxury interiors, and it's no surprise why. Its sophisticated look and durable nature make it a perfect choice for majlis spaces. Whether you choose a polished or matte finish, marble adds an air of opulence and class. Idea 2, Traditional Wood Flooring. Wooden flooring is another classic option that brings warmth and a sense of tradition to your majlis. Whether you opt for rich dark woods like walnut or lighter tones like oak, wooden floors can create a welcoming and cozy atmosphere while maintaining a sense of elegance. Idea 3, Luxurious Carpet and Rugs. If you're looking to combine comfort with elegance, luxurious carpets and rugs are an excellent choice. Soft, plush rugs add a sense of luxury underfoot, while also providing a more intimate and comfortable atmosphere. You can choose from a wide range of materials, including silk, wool, or even hand-knotted Persian rugs for a more authentic touch. Idea 4, Terracotta and Ceramic Tiles. Another option to consider is terracotta or ceramic tiles, especially if you want to introduce earthy tones into your majlis. These materials are durable, easy to maintain, and come in a wide range of finishes and designs. Whether you go for rustic terracotta tiles for a more Mediterranean look or elegant ceramic tiles for a cleaner aesthetic, this flooring option offers versatility. There you have it, some stunning flooring ideas for your majlis that will add a touch of elegance and luxury to your home. Whether you choose marble, wood, rugs, or a combination of materials, the right flooring can truly elevate